Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to open developer tools in Facebook on your PC. Developer tools are a powerful feature that allow you to analyze and modify the code and elements of a web page. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your web browser and go to the Facebook website. Step 2. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, simply right-click anywhere on the page. This will bring up a context menu with various options. Step 3. From the context menu, find and click on the Inspect option. This will open the Developer Tools panel, displaying the HTML and CSS code of the web page. By opening the Developer Tools, you can explore the different elements of the Facebook page, inspect and modify the code, and even troubleshoot issues. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to open Developer Tools in Facebook on your PC. We hope you found this guide helpful in exploring and understanding the code behind web pages. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Happy developing!